How to open Lloyds Bank account online for international students. Now, for you to be able to get here, you'll have to open up or access any preferred web browser that you want to use. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, in your search bar, just simply type in Lloyds Bank International Student Account. And here you'll be seeing a bunch of results that's going to be there. But all you have to do is just simply choose on a specific link in which you will be redirected to lloydsbank.com's official site, which was indicated as student current account or current accounts Lloyds Bank. So if you click on that link, you will be redirected to this face right here. Now, for you to be able to get started, just simply click on ready to apply. From here, these are going to be the main um, requirements for you to be able to apply or to be eligible for a Lloyds Bank account online international for students. So your four-digit UCAS code confirming your place for your course, and then your proof of identity such as a driving license or passport, and then proof of address such as utility bill or a bank statement. Now all you have to do next is click on continue on the website. Then here you'll have to reach out or fill out necessary information for you to be able to get started and apply for an international student account. So there will be a pop out of a small box right here. Use your mobile phone to continue. So if you want to do this method on your phone, just simply scan this QR code right here, or you can choose to continue using your current browser. Then here, just have to answer these questions like on the Let's Get Started. Are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? Just choose on no. Do you already have a UK current account? Just choose a no. And here, you'll just have to fill out and choose on the correct informations based on your specification. So in here, this is about you, just your first name, middle name, last name, gender, title, your phone number, your date of birth, and country of birth. So these are only basic informations that you need to be completed. So just have to comply all these informations right here, and then you will be able to successfully open up a student's international account with Lloyds Bank. So that's it. That's how you open up an account with Lloyds Bank online for Student International.